Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very long expression which contains the basic operation plus multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list, we have four answers 12, 4, -4, and 11. So let's see which answer is correct after solving it. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall that what is the bond mass and pound mass rule? As you can see on the screen, bond mass and bond mass rule basically apply to any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any brackets or parentheses, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to go the exponent and you have to solve the exponent and order of separation. Similarly, and step number 3, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out multiplication and division. If division is coming first, either you are using PEMDAS or BODMAS, you have to solve that part first in your expression. And if multiplication part is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication part. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see in our expression, we have four brackets, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So according to the rules, we have to solve first the bracket. First, we have to solve the first bracket. So we will see first bracket after solving it like 9 plus 3, which is equals to 12. And other things we will write as it is because we can solve each bracket in one step, but here we will follow each step so that you can understand like how you can solve this expression. So 9 plus 3 equals to 12. This one. Okay. Now we have solved this one. Now we have to solve the other bracket, which is this one. So this one we will solve. So 12 multiplied by 7 plus -4 equals to 3. And divided by 12, other part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 7 -4 equals to 3. Okay. Now move forward to solve the third bracket, which is equals to 12 multiplied by 3 divided by, we will write as it is, and 12 divided by 2. So first we have to solve this part, not we will solve this one. So 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. And last bracket we will write as it is. So here we will write as it is. And here we will give 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. Okay, now move forward to solve the last bracket, 5 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 10. And here we will give the reference like 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now we have solved each bracket. Now we will see second step number 2, which is basically find out the exponent part in our expression. So in our expression, we do not have any exponent part. So move forward to solve the third step, which is find out the division and multiplication. So now we will go left to right in our expression and find out first part. So we got it first multiplication. So we will multiply this terms. So here we will get the 12 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 36. And other part we will write as it is. So here we will write like 12 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 36. Now move forward again, left to right on our expression. So here we will go left to right and find out again division and multiplication. So here we have the division. So we will solve 36 divided by 6, which is equal to 6. and minus 10 we will write as it is. And here we will have 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Now, we have two terms and which are subtracting each other. So, just we will subtract them and the answer is 4, not 4. We have minus sign with the larger number, which is minus 10. So, we will write minus 4. So, the answer of the given expression is minus 4. So, if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.